The Food Safety Department has put out stickers in various dhabas and restaurants on the Kawad Yatra route, which will give information regarding the hotel, dhaba owner, phone number, license number, along with a toll-free number for the convenience of devotees on the route regarding food and any other issues. Right-wing groups have raised objections to various non-Hindus, especially Muslims, running dhabas along the Kawad Yatra route. NDTV had reported on how right-wing groups had in fact harassed some dhaba owners over suspicions and allegations of impurity of food served to devotees.
With the holy month of Sawan around corner, which begins from 11th of July, NDTV is right now present at NH 58, which connects national capital Delhi to Dehradun, and this is the highway which also connects Delhi NCR to the holy site of Haridwar, from where a large number of devotees take Ganga Jal and go to their nearby temples around their home in the month of Sawan. The preparations are right now in full swing regarding the Kawad Yatra. UP government has issued guidelines to all the hotel owners in this whole highway who have their hotel premises on the both sides of the highway to clearly issue their names on the big billboards along with a menu card which shows the items that are being served, and everything should be visible to the customers, to the devotees who use this highway during the month of Sawan in Kawad Yatra. Right now I am standing on one such highway whose name is Pradhan Mantri Chai Wala, and here I'll try to show you a step that has been taken by the Food Safety Department which shows that posters like this have been sticked out at various hotels and restaurants in and around this highway, and where you can see that you have information about who's the owner, by what name this restaurant is being run, and the mobile number of the owner. Apart from this, a toll-free number is also given on this pamphlet type sticker, where the devotees and all those who are traveling in the month of Sawan in this route can lodge a complaint if they have any about food, about the quality or any other thing that they think is disputable. Apart from this, two QR codes have also been given. When you download these QR code, an app like this, which is open in my app, opens up, and in this app you can see that there are various options to lodge a complaint, and users can use this app also. So basically the Uttar Pradesh government is all geared up for the Kawad Yatra.